Hope you all are doing good. I am back with another beauty care essential product. Here is another product from the vitamin E range of the Body Shop. Our eye area is the most delicate part of our face and needs extra care. If we have little stress or if we don't sleep well, it is clearly shown from our eyes due to dark circles and puffiness. Our eyes look tired due to excessive use of mobile phones and laptops these days. We should take care of the eye area, and for that purpose, I found a product which is the Vitamin E Eye Cream from the Body Shop. This eye cream helps protect the delicate skin around the eye area, reducing the appearance of fine lines, puffiness, and dark circles. It leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth. It contains vitamin E and biofermented hyaluronic acid. Vitamin E helps fight the effect that causes signs of aging like wrinkles. It also helps in minimizing the dark circles to some extent. Let's have a look at the product closely. It comes in a squeezable tiny plastic tube with a nozzle. The tube is small but it lasts long. It says the Body Shop Vitamin E Eye Cream 48H, which means that it keeps the skin moisturized for 48 hours with vitamin E and biofermented hyaluronic acid from Pomical, France. The quantity is 15 ml and it is suitable for all skin types. At the back it says helps reduce appearance of fine lines, puffiness and dark circles, avoid direct contact with eyes. The ingredients are given here and the product is made in UK. Now I will tell you about the directions and texture. Squeeze a little amount onto your fingertip and gently pat around the eye area. Avoid dragging the skin as it is a very delicate part and this may result in the formation of lines. I'll squeeze it here and show you. It doesn't have a strong scent which I really like. The eye area is sensitive, so I prefer the cream that doesn't have any scent. I like how nicely it comes out of the tube. It is very lightweight and glides smoothly on the skin. Use it in the morning and before bedtime. I actually bought this eye cream for my dark circles and eye tiredness. I have been using the cream from a long time. It absorbs really well under the eyes. I would say it is very moisturizing and very hydrating for the skin. I use it twice a day. It really gives a fresh look to the eye area. Regarding my dark circles, I haven't seen any significant improvement till now. All I can say is that I feel only a slight difference. Dark circles is actually a kind of permanent issue, so by far I haven't seen any product which completely vanishes them. Overall, I find it a good hydrating formula. It doesn't have harsh chemicals in it. Keep in mind, it takes a couple of weeks to see the difference. I heard that it works well for fine lines and wrinkles as well, so you can give it a try. Eye creams are really very important for your skincare routine. If you're not using it, do make it a part of your skincare routine. The Body Shop products are a bit expensive. The price of this eye cream is 69 Saudi Riyals. It is available at the Body Shop stores and online as well on their websites. So I hope you all enjoyed my quick review on this product. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give a big thumbs up to my video. Do comment if you have tried out this product or you are excited to try it out. And if you are using any other eye cream, let me know that as well. Keep watching my videos and keep supporting. See you all next time. Have a great day. Much love and stay blessed.